Hey guys, welcome back to my channel NyarkoaahTutorials. So in today's video I'll be doing a try haul for you guys. This try haul is focusing on autumn/winter because we're in the cold season. So I've collected a bunch of joggers and hoodies from Boohoo, Shein and JD. And I'll be trying them on in this video for you guys to see. If you guys want to see more of these videos, please scroll down below, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss every time I upload. Without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the video. Alright you guys, welcome back to the video. So the first choice that I'll be showing you guys is this pink soda shirt dress that I got from JD. When I got this, they were on sale, so it was reduced from £15 to £10 on the JD website. They were doing huge sales of 75% off, so it was a really good deal for me at that time. So I got this long what color is this, whitewashed gray dress shirt. It looks really good on me. I got this in a size 10. Oh yeah, you guys, I'll leave a link in the description box to all these items that I'll be showing you, so do not worry. So this is the dress. It goes down to my knee. It's very comfortable, huggy. The quality feels really good and amazing as well. It's in really good quality and I love the dress. Yeah. And the next item is this cropped long-sleeved top. I wouldn't say it's a jumper, it's a top but long sleeve. This is also really good quality and it feels heavy and it's also a bit stretchy as well. Yeah, I got this in a size 10 and I'm so happy that I got it in a size 10, because if I got it in my normal size, which is size 8, it would have been so tight on me and I don't like my clothes feeling tight unless it's a bodysuit. But if it's just something like this, I like for it to be nice and loose. It's stretchy, it's comfortable, it keeps me warm, and the quality feels really good and heavy. This was reduced from 15 to 10. I'll leave a link so you guys can see it for yourself. But yeah, it's from Pink Soda as well. So I got it in black because basic, it goes with everything. And yeah, moving on, next I got this shirt from Boohoo. So this is the shirt. I got this in a size 8. It's quite light. Yeah, it's very light and see-through. Right, let's say for example you're wearing like a pink bra, it's gonna be see-through. This is a wristband that I have on. So if you want to wear this, make sure that you wear something black underneath so that it doesn't show the inside of your body. Yeah, ideally wear something neutral color that's not gonna, you know, show all your properties to the world. And moving on next, so this, the corset top and this one came together as one. So this is the corset top. It's really nice. It goes really well with the shirt as well. Wow, I love this corset top. It's in a size 8. It looks so nice on me and I loved it. Yeah, moving on is this Elise jumper that I got. When I saw this on the model online, it didn't really look that nice, but now that I have it in person and tried it on, I love it so much. It feels so nice and in a really good quality as well. It's soft, keeps me warm, and yeah, it's in a size 10 from Elise. It's so nice and it looks so clean. I just hope that I'm able to like keep this well, maintain it well, so it doesn't look brown or ash in a few years time. And the next jumper that I got was also from Mackenzie. Yeah, this was £30 but was reduced to £10, which is really good. That's from the brand Mackenzie in the size 10. Again, I want these to last for a while, so I got it in the size higher above my size. I'm normally size 8, but I like getting stuff like joggers, jumpers in size 10 because I want them to feel comfortable, and I also don't want them to be tight in a few years time. I want to wear it for a while. But yeah, this is it. It's just a basic hoodie and the quality feels really good as well. Really good, and it keeps me warm. The next jumper that I also got is from Mackenzie. So this was reduced from £35 to £10. Amazing sales. The sales were really good. Again, this is in size 10. I love it. It's in a neutral color. It suits my skin tone. I love the jumper. And again, it's in really good quality. Okay, moving on to trousers. I got this from Boohoo in a size 10, but it looks fine on me and I'm actually glad that I got it in a size 10, otherwise it would have been too tight on me. I don't like it that way unless it's leggings. But for something like this, Boohoo, it has strips, white strips on the side. So it's basically leggings. Yeah, it's basically leggings. Like, I got this to use so I got this to wear to the gym, but when it came I didn't want to wear it to the gym anymore. So now I'll just use it as an outfit. Yeah, it wouldn't be that bad to just wear this out. What? Yeah, I got this from Boohoo. And from Mackenzie again, I got this. Joggers is so nice. This joggers feels so good. Like, all these joggers and jumpers, they're in such high quality. I really love them, and they keep me warm, and it just makes me feel expensive, you know. It makes me feel luxurious because it's really good, you guys. So this is the joggers. I got it in this neutral, I'll say neutral brown color. Again, let me see what size this was in. Okay, yeah, this one is in a size 8, but it's fine. It looks a bit oversized on me, as you can see on the screen. It's fine, and it was reduced from £20 to £10. It's really good. This is what the inside looks like, you know, to keep you warm when it's cold, obviously. Anyway, so the second joggers that I got is this one. I love the color. Again, it's from Pink Soda. I love the color. It looks so good on me, and again, it's really warm as well. The quality feels really good. It makes me feel luxurious and expensive. This one is actually in a size 10, but I like it. It's double oversized. Yeah, it's in a size 10, but I love it. I love how it looks. I like how I feel when I put these on. Again, I want to make sure that I look after this really well, so that in a few years time they won't be looking brown or ashy or anything like that. So I'll make sure I do that. This is also another trousers that I got from Boohoo. I got this in a size 10, and I kind of regret getting this in a size 10 because I thought getting these trousers in size 8 might be too tight on me. But this is actually really loose on me, especially on the waist area. So once I wear them and I start walking, they start like pulling down by themselves, and I always have to push them up whilst I'm walking. Apart from that, I love it. I also like the fact that it's flare at the bottom. There is flare at the bottom. So the pattern on the material, it has a really nice pattern. It's elastic. Leg area is fine. From my thighs to my leg, it's fine. Just the waist area is not tight. So if you're planning on buying this and you're size 8, buy size 8. If you're size 6, buy size 6. Don't try to go any size higher because you will regret it. Moving on, this is a gym set that I got from Shein. So I remember this was less than £5, or it was less than £4. It's alright. I'm like, the quality doesn't feel that good, but it's fine. It's alright. It feels cheap. It feels like something you buy from Primark. Yeah. So this is the back of it. It makes your bum look bigger at the front. And this is the whole piece. I really like the color, and I got this in a size small. Yeah. So in a size 8, I got it in my actual size. It's elasticated and it feels cheap. In short, it feels cheap, but it does what it needs to do. Now I just hope that I'll be able to, you know, have it for a really long time, because this is my first clothing purchase from Shein. I just want to try them for a while, and if it's good I might stick with them. If not, then I'll just continue on buying my things from Boohoo, BLT, JD. This is also another gym top that I got from Boohoo. I got this in a size 10, but I wish I got it in a size 8 because it was a bit loose on me. Apart from that, I really like the color. It has an open back to it as well, and it says official at the front. Another gym top that I've got is also from Shein. It feels cheap, it's elasticated, and I think I got this in my normal size. Yeah, I got this in size small, size 8, and it's like this, and it has a hole at the back. The color is really nice and amazing. So this gym top is to go with this one, as you can see on the screen. Okay, another item that I got from Shein is this bag right here, you guys. Wow, I just realized that the pattern on this bag matches the one on these trousers from Boohoo, so this would be a really nice outfit together. This is the kind of bag you just put like your lip gloss, your little perfume, your ID, your bank card, your phone. It's cute. It's a really cute bag. Alright, you guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You found it useful. Please scroll down below, hit on that subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.
What else?